Shoulder pain is more than just an inconvenience. It can impact your work, sleep, and overall quality of life. It's one of the most common musculoskeletal issues people face, and yet it's often misunderstood or left untreated for far too long. The shoulder is a highly complex joint. It's built for mobility, not stability, which makes it vulnerable to injury. Common causes of shoulder pain include rotator cuff dysfunction, frozen shoulder, impingement syndromes, and postural strain from long hours at a desk or using mobile devices. But here's the good news. In most cases, shoulder pain can be managed and even fully resolved with the right approach, without surgery or heavy medications. The first step is understanding your pain. Is it sharp and sudden or dull and persistent? Does it limit your range of motion or only flare up during certain activities? These clues matter. Once serious conditions are ruled out, targeted exercise becomes your most powerful tool. Start with mobility work, gentle pendulum swings, scapular retractions, and wall walks. These help reduce stiffness and reintroduce controlled movement. Then progress to strengthening exercises, resistance band rotations, external shoulder lifts, and posture corrective routines. Remember, consistency is everything. Recovery doesn't happen overnight, but with a structured plan and daily commitment, improvement is not just possible, it's expected. And here's the most important part. Don't let pain define your limitations. Let it be the signal that drives change. Taking ownership of your recovery is empowering, and that mindset alone can make all the difference. Shoulder pain is your body's way of asking for support. Listen to it. Move with intention. And know that healing is not only within reach, it starts today.